Rain, family, rain, rain, rain. Lots of rain on the farm. Yes, we pulling carrot, but we got the rain. We have to stop. Move into the toilet. Yeah, literally, we're in the toilet.
I know say nobody know if you know say I want toilet.
Yeah. Yes,
Nobody
family.
know if you know say I want like toilet. Storeroom, we there storeroom.
Yeah, we're there at the storeroom.
Yeah, shed.
Shit. Look at it, family. Look at that. Raining in Mount Prospect. The rain always cool down a little bit, you know. Yep. The Irish potato, them really love it.
See the other pan when me at it. And the bigger one over here, one next one over here.
Mm-hmm. Rain, rain, rain. Yes, love to see the rain right now. Because guess what? There was a time when we said, boy, we need some rain, we need some rain. God pour out a blessing, so let's not complain. God pour out the tears of God.
Why Irish potato? You know, say I said enjoy her, but plant. Put them on the corner. Put them on the corner, yeah. Put them on the corner.
Yes, family, easing up a little bit. Not quite. Yes. Peace and love, family, peace and love. Grand rising, it's still early.
I'm going to get one card and put it in this tight as a plan.
Okay.
Tell me how time when I can. Let's see what I can do.
Yes, family.